Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. First, remove the small plastic caps over the wiper arm nuts. Loosen the nuts and take them off. Now wiggle each wiper arm back and forth and pull it straight off the splines. Underneath, pull out the retaining clips on the left and right side of the plastic cowl cover. Remove the rubber weather strip seal. On both sides, loosen the hose clamps on the rubber hoses. Next, loosen the center screw. Carefully lift and remove the plastic cowl cover. Watch the rubber hose while pulling it out so you don't snag or damage it. With the cover removed, carefully separate the hoses on the left side. Now go to the air filter housing. Inside the airbox, loosen the center screws and remove the grille. You'll find more screws both inside and outside the housing. Remove them one by one. Then carefully pull the airbox housing out of its position. Next, loosen and remove the screws holding the pipe brackets on the intercooler, left and right side. Carefully move the pipes out of the way. On the right side of the intercooler, remove the screw completely. Now loosen and remove all screws around the intercooler. Keep an eye on all wiring and connectors. Nothing should be under tension or in the way. Carefully lift the intercooler slightly. Gently move the heat shield aside to reach the sensor. Now we're connecting to the 3-pin fuel rail pressure sensor. You'll find it under the intercooler on the common rail. It's the 3-pin connector with the yellow locking tab. Don't confuse it with the 4-pin boost/MAP sensor. Slide the yellow lock back, unplug the connector, then plug in the RaceChip harness until you hear a clear click. Finally, reinstall everything in the exact reverse order you removed it. Double-check every screw, clip, hose clamp and connector before closing up. The installation is now complete and your RaceChip is ready to use. Switch on the ignition and start the engine. The display or the green LED on the RaceChip will light up. The system is now active. For your first test drive, start with the default setting of your RaceChip. If everything feels good, you can later switch to the next performance level. Keep in mind that the car will need some time to fully adapt before unlocking the maximum performance boost. Now get out there and enjoy your RaceChip.